Hi Nupur.
Hi, can you hear
Hi,
me?
good evening. Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
I'm very good, very good.
Welcome back. Thanks for joining again.
Thank you. Thank you for having me back.
Well, let me just tell everyone we are going to be discussing today on the topic human relations in the COVID era. So, I guess it's a very interesting topic. For me, like if I say human relation, it's a very interesting thing because it is not something which exists from, I would say, from today's era, but from maybe the ancient era, human relations have been very important. So even if I go back, say for example, to the era of Ramayana or Mahabharata, so it's all human relations that has been leading to whatever happened in the past. So if we talk only about COVID era, I would like to just discuss the first thing. So it's more of a pandemic or an epidemic which erupted. And in the past also there were epidemics which had come. So what do you feel psychologically or how has it affected people?
See, there have been, like you said, there have been pandemics in the past. We've been again citing examples of Spanish flu, which has happened in 1918-19, and how it changed the society then. And now we're
Yes.
talking about coronavirus, COVID now, at this juncture, 100 years on. Uh, the psychological impact of the pandemic is, if I'm completely not talking from just the medical perspective, but also from a very mental, emotional perspective, it's actually giving rise to a lot of anxiety. It's giving rise to a lot of stress. It's giving rise to a lot of uncertain questions that people are situations that people are not familiar with. It's a very unfamiliar territory, and we in fact it's not that pandemics haven't happened before, but since our generation hasn't been familiar with it, it's a territory that it's a space that we're completely unaware of. And now in this generation, where this era where we're actually very used to communication, very used to going out. Everything is very easy for us. The minute we think travel, we don't even think twice about booking an airplane ticket and going out. I mean, going out, maybe traveling to any other city, because it's very easy. It's not like 20 years back, when airline tickets or airline travel was like costly and we had to think about it. It's like now it's very easy. So things have become very easy for us now. And in that era, something which is making us, forcing us to sit at home, making us give up on things which were very important, which we think are basic for our survival, like going out, like meeting people, like it's socializing, or
Yeah.
something which have been taken away from us. So that is causing a sort of frustration in all of us, and which is
Okay.
given absolutely leading to a very panic behavior, which is
Yeah.
in certain cases also leading to a mass hysteria situation. We see a lot of
Right.
situations up in like US. People are refusing to wear masks, saying, it's not good for us. Why should we wear it? So it's like there's a lot of situations coming up where we are refusing to accept, or like there's a very stressful, anxious phenomena which is now seeping into our psyche. So it's a very
Okay.
stressful scenario. Yes.
Okay. So considering, say, of course, these things are not really something which will like send a message or which will, these are all of a sudden. Now, epidemics are like all of a sudden they break out. Now, let's go to another level. Now, the epidemic breaks out. Now, not say this time, this epidemic breakout, a lot of jobs have gone. A lot of people who were not in a good financial condition, they lost their jobs. People who were maybe in a good condition of finances, they also landed in a poor financial condition. So, how do you feel that situation could have been managed? Because automatically that also led to a lot of depression, stress, and everything.
Um, See, when people lose, like I said, there is a when people lose jobs, when people lose a certain amount of regularity in lifestyle, um, frustration, but managing them. When you talk about managing, one thing that one has to keep in mind is communicating and accepting. So, I think what is very important right now is understanding your triggers. कि अभी what will trigger you? There is a situation. People have lost jobs. People do not have incomes. Not even if people haven't lost jobs, their source of incomes are being cut down. So somewhere maybe salaries are being cut down. If they are having
True.
are maintaining their jobs, but their salaries are reduced. So they are forced to work in a situation where they're not regular, where they're not working with the same income strata that they were getting maybe 6 months back. They do not even know whether they'll have. So there's a sense of uncertainty uh, which is there, which is
Yeah.
constantly there. There is a constant discussion going on here. पता नहीं next job होगी या नहीं होगी, next month होगी या नहीं होगी, next month से next month होगी या नहीं होगी. So वो जो that certain uncertainty which is there, which is not a very good phenomena. However, how can you actually what can a person do to ensure that I do not get bogged down with it? Is two things. One, understanding that I have what happens in such scenario is that when I live in that uncertainty, I can tend to realize that yeah, I do not have anything in my control. If I do not have it, I grapple for control. Okay,
Yes.
I tend to kind of whatever I have left with, I kind of work around that. So what I want to say right now is understand that whatever you have, and it's what I want to say is that you have to make sure that you have triggers and you ensure that you work around them. You keep yourself calm, you keep yourself and you keep the communication flowing, not just from you but towards you as well. You keep yourself objective, you stay safe, you keep yourself safe. अगर आपको लगता है कि you think that you will stay calm by going out, having a good meal, going talking to a friend, if you're getting uptight, if so one of the psychological impact of this is people are not sleeping well.
Yeah.
You have to ensure that you kind of get those scenarios, get those structures well in mind, that you have to take care of yourself. You have to get yourself motivated by ensuring that, or it's very simple, take care of yourself in whatever way you can. That is the key to keep yourself right now at bay. Things will pass. This situation is gonna pass. But right now, you have to ensure that this will take time and
Okay.
the
I
uncertainty will prevail. But
so
it
where
will take
where do you feel that possibly the government can help? They must have helped, or the companies could have helped the
government can do a
people
lot.
or the staff.
Government is actually doing a lot of things. If you look at it, there are a lot of communications coming from government at very regular intervals. There are there are actions like those app Arogya Setu app coming in.
Yeah.
There are logistic helps coming in. There are not just government. There are parallel government helplines being built. There are parallel private helplines which are being built in case. So there is uh, you know government can actually look. In fact, one of the things that I think which should actually also be done is looking at a place where people can have a place to vent out, like telephone accessories lines to vent out, helplines for elderly, helplines for people with
Yeah,
psychological disorders to call up and vent out if they have a problem, because these are people who are affected, who are alone, and who need guidance.
yeah,
And since they are people who need that kind of emotional support, they should have a helpline to support. The second perspective, along with what government is doing, like running a website, learning data, health education is very important. Health education in form of what can you do, which is already running right now, is I think with what all online education, online systems that we are running, cyber security is something that the government should actively and very supremely look at from all levels, especially with the online education going through. I think it is the need of the hour, and cyber, since schools are on online education, people are working from home.
yeah.
Cyber space is something which government should actively be looking at, and forming policies and looking at uh, to ensure that that is not a place where children can be harmed or children can be uh,
Yeah.
compromised.
So do you feel, of course, we have also gone down a lot into, uh, say, of course, human relations, but it has also become more of virtual relations because automatically lot of online studies, virtual talks, online meetings, this has also come up a lot. So there's a lot of marketing strategy has changed, lot many strategies within the company, how they will work, extra, etc. has also changed. So lot of things, if I say, have changed a lot in the market also overall. And in, I think, if I say, in every industry. So what do you feel? I mean, human relations have gone good also, but a little bad also. Do you agree to that?
See, with the kind of stress and individual, like human relations are basically relations between humans. Now,
Yeah,
definition of relations between humans so far was we need to have a physical closeness in terms of there has to be a person, like even when we were talking last, we said, yeah, chal chai ke liye milte hain, let's go out for a coffee. Now that definition is changing now. We will not anymore call a person or just drop in. अभी हम अपने को बोलेंगे, we'll probably think twice before dropping into somebody's house, because we are not sure whether a person will be comfortable with us visiting,
hmm,
or that those parameters, those definitions of social uh, what can I say, social context are changing.
context.
So
Yeah, okay, okay.
in that context, the social structure per se is changing. And
Yeah,
having said that, people would like to stay connected because people need connection. And
right.
but then, since virtual, when you talk about virtual, it only kind of since we have not been used to it so far, we feel that it will at certain point fulfill certain amount of requirement that we have from our need based kind of thing. But then we need people to we need like one of the things which has happened is, uh, if Anurag, is people sitting at home. Now when people are sitting at home, there is like suddenly people are aware of each other. There was a time when people did not have time to sit with each other. Children at school, husband in office, in-laws busy with their own life. Uh, there were people who
Yeah, of course, of
are
course.
we were used to life which was constantly on the run, and now from suddenly on the run we have come on the standstill. Now, when we've come on this standstill, we grappling from space. You know, within the household, when there are suddenly 4 or 5 people living together, they're grappling for their own space that they were so used to over a period of time, and this period of time was around 20 to 30 years of their living structure that build up. Now virtual reality is true, but they also need their space. So it's like it's a very different variation that we've kind of come up with. Ghar mein we are trying to grapple with space. We need our own space. We need our own time. Whereas we also need to connect with friends. We also need to connect with colleagues. We also need to connect with the overall world. We cannot go out if even if we want sometimes. Going out, we are constantly in fear कि यार कहीं वायरस तो नहीं लग जाएगा.
Yeah.
That fear is affecting every decision of ours. किससे बात करें, किससे नहीं करें. Smiling itself becomes sometimes basic people pleasantries are questionable right now. If somebody is smiling to him, like thinking नहीं यार वापस देनी भी चाहिए या नहीं. So social norms that we followed back when we were growing up are being questioned now, and we are actually questioning what we grew up with as adults, as children. And now we are telling the same to our children. So there is a lot of conflict right now. The good aspect of it is our brain rewires itself. Our brain is something that can rewire itself in due course. And if we do so, we will at certain point of time get to a point where we will understand and change our structure as per the new norm, which will require certain amount of virtual right now. And as time goes by, because if you've learned what all we have learned from SARS is like while preparing for this talk, I also read something, and then there was something very interesting that I read about SARS. That after SARS, there were certain developed countries who went from scientific thinking to completely saying that no, there is no. I mean, if science could not help us, not SARS, I'm talking about Spanish flu. If science could not help us from this pandemic, we should actually look away from science. They went into a very anti, kind of anti-science perspective, whereas some developing countries like China went into developing their scientific systems. So how you react, how you respond is what you develop in. So your response structure has very, very, it's basically how you respond to it.
Okay. So, see, again, if I say the relations, of course, again, if I come on to that topic, in case of, say, COVID, a lot of things were happening at different levels. Say, hospitals were full where doctors were treating so many people in case of emergencies. There were a lot of people who were rushing back to their hometown and villages. A lot of people were under lockdown and they were staying at home. A lot of positive minds who were, of course, working on their exercises, etc., to keep themselves fit, which was actually one way to actually keep yourself fit, to keep yourself also safe from the disease. And on the second part, also there was a lot of negativity which was in the mind of a lot of people. And last thing which I would like to say, I mean, lot of people who got COVID and they were possibly alone in a hospital, and their people from the families were also away from them. So do you think all these things also affected that specific relation part? Because people being away from their houses, there are a couple of my friends also, they used to live alone in some places in a house. So they went away after some time saying that we actually have almost no money left. So we are going back to our house. So we'll come back and think again if we have to work here or how do we work. And just in the end, if I need to add this thing, so there's a guy running a factory. Now around 20 people who used to work in his factory left. So they went to their villages. And the rest of them said, okay, we need at least give us this much extra amount so that then only we'll work. So he said, I'll have to give it. So again, that's thing which I told you about, that whole cycle of work and everything. So again, also this kind of stuff gets somewhere related to the how a boss will manage a relation with the worker. Some kind of a psychology also coming in between.
Um, see, okay, let me understand. So, one you were talking about people who were living alone
Yeah,
and how they were unable to cope up with the entire
yeah. I mean,
traveling with the
people.
family.
Yeah, of course, living alone, working here now, say
Yes,
around
see, it is
40.
very difficult. Absolutely. There is no, because when you live alone in structures where you are, especially people who've come from outside, living alone and not being able to communicate with family,
Yeah.
not being able to back up, because the lack of communication is the worst part of this
Yes.
lockdown was something
Yes.
which hit people the most.
Yeah.
Uh, the minute the unlock one happened, or even between lockdowns, whoever could manage to actually go back to their native, or even I have a story where people kind of who were stuck at some place and they managed to come back to their, how they had to kind of manage their medical go, and but they managed to come back to their families, because it
Yeah.
was very difficult for them. Like basic instinct, they are not used to cooking food on their own. Some people who are living alone are
Yeah.
so used to getting food from outside that one person actually did not know how to cook food. They used to get kind of depend on some khana wala who used
Mm.
to supply
Yeah.
them.
True.
And
Absolutely.
it's very simple. It doesn't look much, but people who do not live in families, who've gone out for jobs, who are actually dependent on these people for delivering food.
Absolutely.
And when this
Absolutely.
kind of situation strikes, they were they were out of options. They were out of options. They did not know, and asking, in fact, expecting them to develop habits to cook is something which is not expected, which should not be expected. The best thing for them was, if they could, they did it, they managed. Otherwise, the best scenario was resource mobilization. Whatever resources they had, was because they were all working from home as it is.
Right.
All of them thought was resource pooling. Best is
Right.
they take their stuff up, go back their home. If they
Right.
need net, they can resource it from net. But then mental anguish could be taken care of. If they're in family, their mental, in terms of, even if like I was talking about space issues, but then when you kind of take a analysis, whether it's um, stress about a lack of job or lack of resources versus
Sources.
stress
Yeah. Yeah.
because
Absolutely.
adjustment, maybe they would probably choose stress because of lack of adjustment. So it's a lot of things where people are making choices. Like today I was asking my son, so what is your choice of what is your learning from this I suppose
COVID
uh,
situation.
COVID, and his response was independence. And when I actually asked him further, I also realized that independence, not just like Atmanirbhar, has been given a completely different meaning now. People
Yeah.
are surviving on the skills that they had stopped using. Like people who had stopped cooking, had maids for them, were now forced to cook without maids. People
Yeah.
who were not doing household work were forced to do household work. So those kind of stuff, and this is just one part of it.
Yeah.
Online learning. So there are a lot of Atmanirbharta technically actually which has come into picture nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So,
yes,
in
then
overall, over.
that
Yeah.
also leads to, that kind of scenario will also lead to a lot of physical labor, which will also lead to a lot of depression, which will also lead, see, a lot of stress, I would say, a lot of anxiety, I would say. It will also lead to a lot of, and the most important part here is to tell people at this juncture that it is not okay, stay positive is something I would say that is sometimes these negative emotions will come because it is a difficult time. I think one thing, like I was saying in the beginning, understand what is triggering you. Trigger in the sense, triggers are what is thing which is making you uncomfortable. What is things which are making you angry. What is thing which is making you upset. Understand those and kind of try and work on those instead of accumulating them to kind of form a big pahad out of it.
Okay. Okay.
तो वन थिंग एट अ टाइम, टेक वन डे एट अ टाइम, और एक एक सिचुएशन को आप देखो. कहने का मतलब सिर्फ यही है अनुराग कि इस टाइम पे बहुत छोटी सी बात, घर में कोई एक बात हो गई, इट कैन ट्रिगर यू. बॉस से एक बात हो गई, इट कैन एक्ट. हो सकता है नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में यू वुडंट हैव बीन दैट अपटाइट अबाउट इट बिकॉज आपके पास वेंट करने के लिए ऑप्शंस हैं. अभी हमारे पास वेंट आउट करने के लिए न लोग हैं न ऑप्शंस हैं. दो फ्रेंड्स के बीच में कुछ हो गया है, आप थोड़ा परेशान हो जा रहे हो. क्यों? क्योंकि people do not have options to speak out जितना पहले थे. जो पहले लोगों के पास अपनी भड़ास निकालने के लिए जो ऑप्शंस होते थे वो अब नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
So people have realized that this phase is going to stay, but then it's okay. It's okay.
Right.
Even it's going to stay. Give yourself time. Even if they're feeling anxious, even if they're feeling frustrated, seek help.
Right.
एक बंदा नहीं हेल्प करता, दूसरा बंदा करेगा, दूसरा नहीं करता, तीसरा करेगा, कोई ना कोई हेल्प करेगा ही करेगा. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Right. Don't be afraid to look for options जहाँ पे लोग आपको हेल्प करें, but don't stop seeking help.
Right.
आपको अपनी मदद खुद करनी है. प्लीज, अगर आप एंशियस फील कर रहे हो, अगर आपको परेशानी है, if you are running out of options of what to do, please go and talk to people. Talk to 10 people, talk to 20 people. If you do not have, like, I'll tell you very interesting. There was one video जो पीछे अब circulate कर रहा था. This was a video made by an actor in Bombay called some Mishra. Actually उसने एक character play किया था, some Mishra करके. And he's an actor जिसने एक character play किया of a second year student in some IT some engineering college, and he said कि मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ, very beautifully played character, लेकिन मुझसे मेरे कोई institute के लोग कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है. Now this character was, मतलब आप उसको सुन रहे हो और इतनी strongly the character had actually come out कि वो बच्चा वो अपने आप से वो कह रहा है कि भैया आप सब लोग बात तो कर रहे हो सुशांत सिंह के बारे में, लेकिन मैं जब आपसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ तो कोई मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा, कोई मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्यों नहीं समझ रहा है. एंड he had circulated, and this became, I think this actually was a very viral video. And then Mukund Mishra was the name of the person, was the name of the character that he played. एंड उसके बाद इसने एक फॉलो अप किया था बताते हुए कि मैं सिर्फ इसलिए दिखाना चाह रहा था कि जब कोई एक नॉर्मल इंसान बताना चाहता है अपनी वो, तो उसको बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए थे यूट्यूब पे, बहुत सारा. बट ऐसे काफी लोग हैं जो अपने बारे में नहीं बता पाते, या फिर वो जानते ही नहीं है कि उनको वो सारी चीजें शेयर कर रहे हैं. वो बस इतना जानते हैं कि मैं परेशान हूँ, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड अबाउट सिचुएशन, I am feeling disturbed, मेरा काम करने में मन नहीं लग रहा, ठीक है, like lack of performance, they don't feel like working. If any of these issues are being faced by, it is natural in current scenario. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा तब भी आपको लग रहा है, and this is also very normal in children as well. But so talk to your children, keep talking to children, keep ensuring them, keep communicating with them, and that is where you have to understand कि अगर आपका communication level ठीक रहेगा, आप उनसे input लेते रहोगे, तो शायद आपको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ पता चल जाए. कई बार बच्चे, कई बार सिर्फ बड़े भी रो देते हैं, रोने के लिए रो देते हैं, it's okay.
बिल्कुल.
So let them, of course, it's went out.
Let them, absolutely. So in a way, रिलेशंस में ये बात जरूर आती है कि आई गेस सबसे पहला रिलेशन तो खुद से ही होता है। एक रिलेशन होता है जो हमारा खुद से होता है, क्योंकि हम खुद भी एक इंसान है। तो वो हमें पहले देखना चाहिए, और साथ में हम इंटरेक्ट करें सबसे, जिससे ऑफ कोर्स हमारे को, आई मीन वी हैव टू टेल एवरीबॉडी, अपने अंदर की बात बताएं। सो दैट विल ऑफ कोर्स हेल्प अस। एंड फाइनली व्हाट रियली आई बिलीव इज के सिचुएशन कोई भी आए, जैसे कोविड आई है, उसमें उस हालात पे चलना पड़ेगा। अपने आप को स्वस्थ रखना बहुत जरूरी है। बातचीत करें, क्योंकि इफ आई एग्री, इवन बुक्स पढ़ना, किताबों से भी एक रिलेशन बनाना भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। यू आर
बहुत बड़ी
एक्चुअली रीडिंग एंड गेनिंग नॉलेज। या एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली। एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो कुछ नियम बनाए गए हैं उनको फॉलो करना बहुत जरूरी है। जैसे इफ आई एग्री, इफ यू विल ऑल्सो एग्री, आई एम सॉरी, जैसे पुलिस वाले अपना काम कर रहे थे, तो देवर ऑन देयर ड्यूटीज, तो जो नियम है उसको फॉलो करें। जैसे कोविड एक्शन धीरे धीरे खुले हैं आज के दौर में, आई थिंक अब थर्ड राउंड खुल जाएगा, तो उस हिसाब से चलें। क्योंकि लोगों का वही थोड़ा सा व्यवहार होता है कि जरा सा एक नियम खुला तो बिल्कुल उसको पूरा तोड़ना अच्छी बात नहीं होती है। तो आई गेस दैट इज ऑल्सो एक अलग भाषा में कहूँ तो गवर्नमेंट के साथ रिलेशन यही होता है कि कुछ आदेश हो तो उसको मानना भी एक रिलेशन ही है, कि उसको आप कैसे मानते हैं और किस तरह से, हाउ यू इम्प्लीमेंट इट।
वेरी ट्रू। इनफैक्ट आई थिंक अपनी सेफ्टी इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। अपनी सेफ्टी को इंश्योर करने
या
के लिए जो रूल्स बनाए हैं उनको फॉलो करना इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर सेफ्टी।
ट्रू ट्रू।
एंड लाइक लास्ट ईयर रिस्पेक्ट ना कि भैया ऑब्जेक्टिविटी बना के रखें। ये काफी चीजें सिर्फ हवा में पास हो जाती है कि भैया
हाँ
कोई खबर आई ऐसे ही पास हो गई, ठीक है। तो हर हर चीज को बहुत ऑब्जेक्टिवली देखें एंड बी अ बेरर ऑफ गुड न्यूज,
ट्रू।
पॉजिटिव न्यूज इन इफ पॉसिबल।
एब्सोल्युटली। और
देयर इज एनफ
क्योंकि,
एनफ।
या क्योंकि आई ऑल्सो बिलीव this is one situation we are dealing with, and if I may say, एक एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन जस्ट सेट एन एग्जाम्पल हेयर, दे अभी के लिए, मे बी आगे के लिए कुछ एक उदाहरण बन जाएगा, कि चाहे हम उसको एक डिसिप्लिन बना दें, या एटलीस्ट लोगों की तरह मैसेज भी पहुंच जाएगा। बातें करेंगे तो कुछ एक मैसेजेस चले जाएंगे, एटलीस्ट इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस एट द एंड ऑफ द डे।
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली, बिल्कुल। So
सो
yeah, that is what
इन
I think.
ऑल इन ऑल, इस चीज को लेके, आई मीन, इज देयर सम काइंड ऑफ अ मैसेज नाउ टुडे यू वांट टू गिव?
I think one of the things about human relations, I believe, is um very strongly that we are we learn and we adapt. We adapt with times, and this is the time when we will adapt. We'll come out winners, and थोड़ा क्लीशे जरूर हो जाता है, बट आई genuinely believe that कि this is a very, despite this being a very difficult time, um, it's like we have to ensure to take one thing one day at a time. We have to
Absolutely.
ensure that uh, we 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 kind of learn from every victory, small victory that we
Small,
have.
yeah, yeah,
Give
absolutely.
pat on our backs. मतलब मैं I'm a big fan
True.
of saying यार छोटा छोटा बात पे शाबाशी दे दो,
It's a,
keeps me
yeah,
alive.
it's
And
time and a moment which,
when my kids are down, when I am down, I kind of tell them, write a gratitude journal, write 10
yeah,
things at night which help you sleep better.
yeah,
Uh,
true.
so every day, maybe write 10 things that you are thankful for. Maybe that's what, go for a run, go for a walk, obviously with safety protocols. And
Yeah, absolutely,
but
absolutely.
then do that. Watch a comedy. Eat an ice cream.
True.
some people who like cooking, cook something.
Whatever,
And
yeah, cook, eat, drink,
do small
talk.
things that make you happy. Do
Absolutely.
stuff that makes you happy. Keep doing stuff that makes you
Stuff,
happy.
yeah. For
Keep
me,
doing.
at least for me, I'll tell you, I watched a lot of films. I mean, I had a whole list of films. Every day, at least there was one or two films I used to watch. And I think there's no dish which I was not made at home. So it
Sort
was
of
eating and watching films.
very interesting. आपको अचानक ही पता चलने लगता है आपके सर्कल में कितने सारे मतलब महान कुक्स हैं. You're like, wow, and you suddenly get
True.
inspired. You also feel my cooking has improved in quarantine time. I am frankly speaking. I never knew I could cook this well. So
True.
that is what happens. You cook,
Yeah, yeah.
you
That's
better, and
And
every
of course, this is all positive. At least we should think if something negative has come, so positive is going side by side. So everything is in our hands, actually.
and people and things will will come around. It's not that people have not been affected. It's not
Yeah,
that we have been affected. We
true.
have been affected. People have been affected. There are people who have lost their loved ones. There are things which have gone, which cannot come back. There is nothing we can say or do to even kind of
Yeah,
uh, start feeling the pain that they are feeling, and we'll not do
yeah,
that. But we
absolutely.
definitely say that if we can do anything or any that this phase is very difficult, but it too shall pass.
Too shall pass. Yeah, it's just a
So
matter of time.
that's my
Where,
that's my
yeah,
my uh, giveaway for message for prayer. This too
yeah,
shall pass.
absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Nupur, for joining us once again. And well, in the coming few days, we'll be joining again with some new topic, which has to be definitely informative as today. Few days again, I would like to tell the audience we are joining again. And of course, this chat, of course, is recorded and is on the
One.
IGTV. So, see you, Nupur. See you very
More.
soon.
Okay.
Great.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.